PNMAF, MOF, TAF, SAMF, Menemenet F Nebet, Hayat Nebet, Henenet Nebet, Jedefuet F, Awet F, Hasit, Samawu M Sanut.
A giant meteorite struck the Earth. Goodbye, dinosaurs. But what if the dinosaurs weren't all destroyed? What if the impact of that meteorite created a parallel dimension where the dinosaurs continue to thrive and evolve into intelligent, vicious, aggressive beings? Just like us. And hey, what if they found a way back?
This story of reptilian gods from the heavens creating man is not at all uncommon. It in fact can be found in most every region of our planet. In Japan, emperors claim descent from dragon gods who came from the sky. Australian Aborigines teach of a reptilian race which lives underneath the earth and governs over men. They believe they are descendants of a race of dragon humans. China teaches the serpent queen Nukua interbred with man. India calls these reptilian gods Nagas and claim they seeded their royal families. Throughout the Middle East, it is believed a serpent race created man. The book of Genesis tells of giants who came from the heavens to breed with the daughters of man. They are called the Nephilim. In Africa, they call them Chitauri, children of the serpent. The royal kings of Africa claim descent from serpent gods who came from the sky. In South America, the Mayans teach that their ancestors were the people of the serpent. The Aztecs were said to be created by a serpent woman.
Conan, the mightiest warrior ever, his quest to undo the spell of living stone cast upon his family by driving the evil serpent men back into another dimension.
Thousands of years ago, he attempted to enslave the entire Earth.
Batman! Professor! What have you done to them?
I've turned them into creatures far superior to man.
Let me see you as you really are.
People find it difficult to perceive of a two-legged reptilian entity with what we would call an intelligent mind. But I have talked to hundreds and hundreds of people all over the world. I've been to more than 40 countries researching this, who have told me the same basic recurring story of seeing people, often in positions of power, but not always, change from a human into a reptilian form and then go back again.
And we need a president who understands the lessons of September the 11th, 2001. That to protect America, we must stay on the offense.
Great.
soul to the devil.
I sold my soul to the devil.
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing. You know, I made a bargain with it, you know, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my end.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And on this earth, and then in a world we can't see.
I just don't know where I am at anymore.
There, Netley. I shall tell you where we are. We are in the most extreme and utter region of the human mind. A radiant abyss where men meet themselves.
I don't understand, mate. I don't understand, sir.
Hell